All right. So when you run into a situation like we have here, where someone is asking me about their token, but they're not seeing it in their wallet. Now, one, make sure that you've already added the specific extension. In this case, it's Optimism, and make sure that you've imported the token. However, after you've done all that, if you still don't see it and you have to question whether it really got sent to you, here's how you do that. So first you'd log into your wallet, right? You're going to check your last, in your case, your wallet, your address. And sorry, for some reason I clicked off of my wallet. And you're going to go here to the little dots. And here you're going to view your account on the Ethernet Explorer for Optimism. Now, depending on the network you're on, as you can see, you will be able to change those out. I'm on Optimism, but there are a whole bunch of other networks that you can be on. And for each, you will be able to go to the Explorer of their network. Say, for instance, you are, again, I showed you Optimism and Ethereum. I'm sorry. Let's say you are on Go Early and you want to test something, you can do that as well. You can see right here the Go Early Ethernet scan. So back to scanning. So how this works, this is your wallet address. And you can literally see here all of the transactions, all of what is coming in or out, who it's from. Like I said, whether it's going in or out, when was it done? And so you can literally check every single transaction done to your wallet. You don't have to take other people's account for it. When you are told that you received 10 token, you can literally go check for yourself. Now, in this case, I really did send them the 10 token, and I can actually scan that now and send it to them. I can also show them where I had sent them token other days right here and right here and right here and right here, because I have their address here. And you can see each time that you have literally sent out token, or in this case, received, like right here. So there's no reason to have to take people's word for it. Now let's go back to your wallet. Let's say you're the sender, like I was in this case. Oh, because it's from Go Early. My bad, I'm sorry. Go back to Optimism. And you can see these are the token in question. You can literally see each time that they were sent and who they were sent to since inception. You can view more of them. And you can see each time that they were sent out. We use these as a reward system, obviously, for our game. So they're often sent out. But if you are not aware that they are there, it's real hard to see them. So we're going to make another video showing you exactly how to add the network, in this case Optimism, to your wallet so that you know when you have received the token in question. All right, so I hope that this has helped. And we are going to show you in the next video how to add that network and how to import that token so you can better familiarize yourself with what you need to do each time. I hope that was of help. And just by hearing this, may you be blessed.